Arts Workfly.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Art Workfly, and today we'll be looking at the reflective statement. Alright, so these are the questions that you should answer to create a paragraph for the reflective statement. So number one, what have you learned in class or doing the SBA? Alright, so what have you learned by doing the SBA? What have you learned, or what have you learned in class during the class activities, etc.? Number two, what was your best experience where art is concerned? Number three, how do you overcome your challenges? Number four, positives and negatives of doing art. Number five, what are your strengths and why? Number six, what are your weaknesses and why? Number seven, how do you feel about or when doing the Csec art pieces? Number eight, how do you feel about art overall? Okay, so you are going to use those questions to help you to write a paragraph for the reflective statement. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.